The rural guy is really talented. He used a discarded cola bottle. An automatic feeding and watering device. Since having this small device, it's much easier to raise poultry. So, how was this useful device made? Let's continue to watch and we'll know. First, the guy bought a 110mm diameter PVC pipe. Then he cut the pipe into 4 sections. After cutting, he found a template and put it on the side of the tube and draw a mark along the edge of the template with a marker. After drawing one, continue to draw the other. Draw the same lines on each pipe, and that's it. After the lines are drawn, put the PVC pipe on a bracket for fixing. Then use an angle grinder. Cut along the line. On the side of the PVC pipe, cut out a groove. What's the use of this groove? We'll know in a moment. After cutting one, continue to cut each PVC pipe with such a groove. It's enough. After cutting, use sandpaper to smooth all the burrs on the cutting surface. After polishing, the guy took a hot air gun. He heated one end of the PVC pipe. After softening, he took a plastic and inserted it into one end of the tube. So the bottom of the PVC pipe is sealed. After the little brother's busy work, the 4 pipes were all installed with plugs. Then the guy found a rectangular wooden floor. Then use a screwdriver to fix the plastic pipe on the wooden floor. When fixing, make sure the opening of the PVC pipe is facing up. Next, the guy found a section of snake skin pipe. First, cut the snake skin tube into sections with a wallpaper knife. Then in the center of the tube, cut a small hole in the center of the tube. After cutting the hole, take some discarded mineral water bottles. Put one end of the snake skin tube on the bottle mouth. After one is done, continue to do the next. Just put the snake skin tube on each bottle. Next, we line up the cola bottles in a row. Then use a green funnel to fill the bottles until they are full. There are 4 bottles in total. The first 2 bottles are filled with green, and the last 2 are filled with water. This can achieve automatic feeding, but also automatic water feeding. After filling both water and green, take the bracket we just made outside. Fix it to the wall of the chicken coop with self-tapping screws. After fixing it, we take the full green cola bottle and put them head down into the PVC pipe. In this way, the green can flow out through the small opening in the middle. Then, we put the water-filled cola into the PVC pipe next to it. After putting them in, you can see the water flows directly out of the snake skin pipe. Then we can put the other 2 bottles on, and it's done. After putting them in, you can see the green flowing out exceeds the height of the hole. The green will stop flowing if poultry come to eat. The green will flow out automatically when the height drops. The principle of the water bottle next to it is when the water level exceeds the height of the hole, the water will stop flowing. If poultry drink water, the water level drops. The water in the bottle will automatically flow out to replenish. This achieves the purpose of automatic feeding and watering. Do you think the guy used the scrapped materials? This automatic feeding and watering device is not only simple but also very practical. Friends who are interested can make one for themselves. Okay, that's all for this video. See you next time.